The OnePlus N6 is an upcoming budget-friendly smartphone slated for an official unveiling on June 30, 2026. Early unboxing leaks are already giving us a pretty good look at what's coming. The phone ships with a pre-applied screen protector and a solid bundle, a 45W SuperVOOC charger, USB-C cable, clear silicone case, SIM ejector tool, and the usual paperwork. A distinct squarish rear camera module containing 2 camera sensors and an LED flash. It closely resembles the design aesthetic of the Nord CE6 and is confirmed to come in black and light green colorways. It'll be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6000 series chip, 6GB of RAM, and run Android 16 with Oxygen OS 16 out of the box. The phone has a 50MP main camera, an 8MP selfie camera, and a AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The real standout is the massive 8000 mAh battery. Is rumored to be priced under 20,000 Indian rupees. Expected to launch in India for under 20,000 Indian rupees, targeting budget-conscious consumers looking for longevity and everyday performance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.